Today we are making the totally functional generator, and in the process we use the metal lathe and the steel mill, as well as 3D printing. Meanwhile, everything was designed in Onshape. All parts had been 3D printed and now it's time to clean them. Heat fan is a very useful tool in removing plastic fibers. Now it is the time to clean all the other parts. After 10 minutes, it's finally time to clean up. To assemble everything together, we're gonna use the M4 bolts. Here we are using the hydraulic press to press the bearing into our gear. Beautiful. Now it's time to grab our magnet holder and insert magnets into it. Close the cap and here we go. Right at this point, I thought I was very close to the ending, but I couldn't be more wrong. It took me extra 48 hours to redo this part. But after redoing it and adding the coils, as well as soldering, I am finally ready to test the generator. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it is working. And finally, I was able to get out the 12 volts out of it. Here we reached the new record of 13.7. And here we can see the wear and tear forming, where the gear eats away from the plastic base.